Hi, so in this video we're going to see how to use the Remove.Bg website to remove a background from your photo and then use Google Slides to change the background. So let's get started. So here we are at the www.remove.bg website, and I'm going to upload a photo to this website. I have a family photo saved on my desktop. And as you will see, it's processing that file that I just uploaded. So now I have on the left side the original image, and then on the right side the image without the background. So I'm going to download this file, the one without the background, to my desktop. As you see, it has renamed it as Remove.Bg, and I'm going to save it on my desktop. So it's saved on my desktop. Next, I'm going to go to a blank Google slide presentation, and right now I don't have any background to this slide, so I'm going to use the background command here to change the background. And I'm going to look for an image using the Google search within that Google Slide program. So I'm going to search for a background or a picture, let's say, of Windsor Castle. So there are several images, so I'm going to pick just one of them and then click select here, click done, and as you can see, the background of my slide has changed with the image of the Windsor Castle. So next I'm going to put the picture that I just changed the background of. So I'm going to go to insert, click on image, and then choose upload from computer, and I have that picture saved on my desktop. And as you can see, here is the picture of my family in front of the Windsor Castle, and I can resize it or shrink it to make it a little more realistic. So there I have my image now in front of the Windsor Castle. So I can even save this file as a new PNG or a JPEG file. So I'm going to download this as a JPEG image. So I'm going to save it on my desktop again. Let's just call it new family picture. And it's saved on my desktop. If I just click on open, so here I have a new picture with my family in front of the Windsor Castle. So this is how you can use the Remove.Bg website to change a background from your image, and then use Google Slides to put a new background. It's a very useful tool that you can use in your classrooms with your students to practice their creative ideas. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to if you have any questions, to write to me. Thank you.